Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost, fog lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.